What is up, guys? We are back at it again with another vlog. I am so sorry for not vlogging last weekend. It's not a big deal, but just had an adult and doing adult things. So we're back at it again. We got parts. The Q50 is gonna be back on the road. I set up the front struts already, so you guys are about to see those. Those are about to be put on. We're heading home right now. I just finished getting my cut. So I will see you guys in a minute. Babe, you gotta drive. I gotta take a dump. You're driving, so you're just...
I'm trying to pass this car, but this car is like not going.
Somebody help me. Babe, we gotta go. We gotta go. I'm in trouble. No, my God, I'm in trouble.
There's a police officer.
I really don't care. I have to take... Woo! After my little bathroom dilemma, I just got home, whatever. I took care of my business. Ruby comes up to me, tells me there's a package here. And I'm like, what? There's a package here. So yesterday I ordered my new management because my manifold is junk. So I ordered it yesterday and it's already here. How? I don't get it. So I don't know if I'll be able to do that today, but I'm going to try to get into the video for you guys. But let's get this started, man. I'm super excited. These are the new airlift struts. Got new fittings. I put the FlyAir bags that I ordered last time on, so now they fit. So now I'm going double bellow on the front, which is amazing. So let's freaking get this thing started. I'm ready to see this thing back on the road. Good news is the bag is in. That's great. So it's working. We just tested it, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. But the bad news is I have a bad sway bar link, so I'm gonna go get some. Go to AutoZone real quick and grab one, and I'll be right back. All right, other side's in. I didn't show you the other side, but this side's in. I'm just gonna fold everything back up. We should be golden. We're looking good. A-okay. New bags are in, tightening everything up, and we'll be on our way in a minute. It is such a good feeling driving the Q again. I'm back on the road. I'm doing a little test drive. We're actually headed to Carlos's house right now because we're gonna go put on his new top. We are headed next week to IFO, Import Face Off. That'll be my first car show of the season. It's going down. If everything goes to plan, you're gonna see this car change within the next week. But this week was just getting it back on the road. But we're headed to Carlos's house right now, so I'll catch you guys in a minute, man. Pulled up to Carlito's house, all the homies here, Chispo's here, Q50's back, my boy Ant's back, Carlos looking crazy, Jeep's looking nuts. Look at it. This is the new top he just installed. It's looking super good, bro. This thing is nuts. Look at this. Chispo pulled up made his own taillights, bro. Custom. Dude, they dance and everything. They all have different styles and stuff, bro. They came out insane. He made these by hand, bro. Look at that. Come on, son. Come on, son. Look at that. Come on, son. That's just nuts, bro. That is nuts. The thing is just nuts. You'll never see an S10 like this ever in your life. Guaranteed. DK Stacker head ass.
I got the bubble. I got the bubble one right now.
Blind dance. Oh, that one looks crazy.
Babe, show me the phone.
This thing looks nuts. This is crazy. You want to do the firecracker?
All the programs.
Never mind. I want to do the firecracker. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She on X Games mode. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is a wrap for this vlog. I will catch you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. See ya. I forgot to mention, stay tuned for next week's vlog as well. It's about to be nuts. The wheels are coming in, so you guys are gonna see those. And Sunday is IFO, so I'm gonna get that all on the vlog. So it's gonna be a really nice long vlog. I didn't want to let you guys go tonight without that because it's gonna be a banger next week. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be awesome. So I will see you guys next week. See ya.